There was once a bird who only wanted to fly. Because the bird thought that flying would make him happy, he thought the freedom was something he had always wanted. But he was too young. His wings were small, and he could not eat by himself. One day, when he was sitting high in his nest waiting for his mother to come back, he spotted a bird. She was dark in color and struggling to fly in a straight line. So, the little bird plucked up his courage and jumped out of his home of twigs. But instead of flying towards the small, dark bird, he crashed into her, and they fell down, down.